Hi, in this video we will see how WebHarvy can be used to scrape data from e-commerce websites like Home Depot. So when you start up WebHarvy, what you see is a browser-like interface in which you can load and navigate websites. So this address bar can also be used as a search box. So I can search for Home Depot and click on the first result to load the website. Now let's navigate to the page from which we wish to extract data. And it's always recommended to start configuration from a page which shows only the products. Like for example, in this page, you have several product categories displayed. So it would be better to go to a specific product category. And here you can see the various results. So there are 144 results for this category. And if you scroll down, at the end of the page, you can see the pagination links to load multiple pages. But in the case of this web page, if you analyze closely, there are some extra items which breaks the layout of the page, like the items to explore, an advertisement, a sponsored banner, and an only at Home Depot pane. So this breaks the pagination. So to make sure all products on the page are extracted, we need to perform a small settings change. This is normally not required for all websites, but in case it's required, you can find the required settings in one of our demonstration videos, or you can contact us. So you need to select low for data selection accuracy, 2 and 1 for these last two list options, apply changes, and now we can start configuration. If I click on start configuration, I can click and select all the data items which I need to scrape. So this page actually loads more data only when you scroll down. So the first action which you should do is click on the title and select more options, scroll list. Wait for the page to scroll down to the bottom, and then you can click on the direct link to load page number 2 and set it as the next page link. Scroll back up, click on the title of the first product, and let's give it a name. And as you can see, WebHarvy has automatically identified all the subsequent products on the page. Click again, and this time use the follow this link option to load the details page from which further details can be selected. Let's select the category, followed by the model number and SKU. We'll also get this small info. Then we can click and select the product image URL. You can either download the images or scrape the image URLs. You can do it only for the first default image displayed or for multiple product images. Likewise, you can select more details as required. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm stopping the configuration and starting mining. So WebHarvy will load the same page for which we created the configuration, and it will start pulling the data, and then it will follow each product link to scrape the details. So I hope you find this video useful. In case you have any questions, please contact us at support@webharvy.com. Thank you.